Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of TP-Link's Archer A7 and TL WR844N routers. Let's delve into their key specifications to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer A7 operates on Wi-Fi standards, delivering 1750 speeds with dual-band support and 3 high-performance antennas. Ideal for medium-sized homes, it offers reliable coverage and performance. In contrast, the TL WR844N provides N300 speeds on Wi-Fi 4 standards, suitable for smaller spaces with its 2 fixed antennas. 2. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall access control and IP binding. While the Archer A7 offers advanced encryption standards like WPAT Enterprise, 802.0 Onyx, and VPN server capabilities, the TL WR844N focuses on standard security measures, including WPA3 encryption. 3. Hardware. The Archer A7 features a Qualcomm QPU Gigabit WAN port and USB 2.0 support, offering versatile connectivity options. Conversely, the TL WR844N comes with a single core CPU and standard WAN ports, catering to basic networking needs. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IP6 and offer management features through the Tether app and web interface. The Archer A7 stands out with its on-mesh support for network expansion and comprehensive parental controls, while the TL WR844N focuses on essential networking features with QoS by device and DHCP options. In conclusion, the Archer A7 excels in wireless performance, advanced security features, versatile hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities, making it suitable for medium-sized homes and tech-savvy users. Meanwhile, the TL WR844N offers reliable connectivity for smaller spaces with basic networking features, catering to users seeking a budget-friendly option. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.